The Committee for Empowerment for Women, Jaka Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Lanika Committee, Kapa Page Ben Ibor, Hikente, Mentaka Arpo Pratric Unailar Arja Arpo, Lalej Ben Jurip, Ika Training Center, Jakatanat Commerce and Industries, Kabadan Nongrim Hills. Yakani ke jingle Jurip layalam di kong amprin lingdo chairperson Jaka committee ringkar kira khot Jaka nika committee kira khot kila yo ban page binya ek rukom Jinghikai ber khamtam e kitiar kitar ber ki kor ki bor ki badon hakani ka center kani kani ke Jaka Jinghikai ki samla hakliang ke jing so jan ke jing than jan ber ki we de ke Jinghikai trei kam de ki khti khnang ban yarap iki samla bakin la ban yeng hala ki jong ki kijan hadian kani ke jingle Jurip ka committee kala pelong ru ki jalang ber ki officer na katanat karkhana Jaka jalla ban yakre ni ki jingduna ber ki jingdon kam Jaka nika center habai kren bikla pathai khubor harim blawai kanika jalang ikong amprin ilong bakanika center kadon kalat ban roi ba ha ka jing shakri ha ga penmi iki samla ban tre kam la jong hinre kanika center kadon kam ban don ka Jaka sa na ka banta ki samla ki bawan shahi kai hangni khamta mi ki samla ki bawan na bar shalong kawai pa ka jingduna ki bawan shahi kai na marha kini ki san sinem dan tang shispa sau pusangot ki bawan shahi kai.
Small numbers of individuals in such a big facility and infrastructure seemed rather wasteful, and we have had a very interesting and fruitful discourse with the officials of the Commerce and Industries Department, headed by the Secretary, Commissioner Secretary, Mr. Nongrim. We have made several proposals at that interaction. One was which definitely the installation or the immediate construction of residential facilities for trainees, because after we had found out the numbers of individuals who come and train there from outside of Shillong, we found that it would be fitting if that center would immediately have a hostel facility, because all of the trainees lived in temporary arrangements in and around Shillong city. The entire area of the Commerce and Industry Training Center stretches over a 2.5 acre land. So we thought that it would be apt that the government should utilize all those assets to the optimal possible, and training just 144 in 5 years numbers of individuals was, I feel, and other members also feel, wasteful in its approach. We have requested the Secretary of Commerce and Industry, Mr. Nongrim, to immediately bring to the notice of the Minister of Commerce and Industries that we would like to have an interaction to further take home this idea that that center has great potential but has not been used to the maximum possible.